Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to swap faces for a GIF. So let's assume you have a very popular GIF that you want to swap faces with. All you have to do is to come to this website deepfakemaker.io and then click on the face swap section here. Once you click on it, a drop down menu appears. Then go to the GIF face swap. You'll be brought to a page like this. You can read or check how to do it for in this area, but we'll just click on get started for free, and then you can upload your original GIF here and then upload the target face you want to replace the original GIF with. So once you click on it, you would have your photo appear here, and then you can now click on swap now, and after a few seconds you have yourself a new GIF with your original face or with the target face you want. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.